Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how cars are made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Every car begins deep within the earth, where raw metal is first uncovered.
Tons of raw material are gathered, ready for the journey ahead. Transport begins immediately, keeping the supply chain in motion. Alongside steel, aluminum materials are sourced for lightweight components. Coal is gathered to fuel the intense heat required for metal production. From here, materials move continuously toward refinement. The journey from raw earth to engineered precision has officially begun. Bulk transport systems move raw materials efficiently toward production zones. Rail networks carry massive loads across integrated factory grounds. Precision cranes take over, directing materials exactly where needed. Controlled intake systems prepare materials for internal transport. All raw materials are brought together before entering industrial processing. Automated pathways keep materials moving without interruption. Sorting ensures each component meets exact production requirements. Vertical systems efficiently move materials across multiple factory levels. All resources now arrive at the heart of preparation for manufacturing.
A fully integrated facility transforms raw materials into precision-engineered vehicles.
Every delivery is carefully managed before entering the production flow.
Verification ensures traceability and quality from the very start.
Inside the facility, logistics operate with constant precision. Materials are directed into designated intake zones. From transport, materials immediately enter controlled processing environments. The production journey continues seamlessly inside. Preparation begins as materials move toward their first transformation stage. The first stage removes impurities through controlled mechanical cleaning.
High-pressure systems wash away remaining contaminants.
Screening ensures only correctly sized materials continue forward. Magnetic systems isolate valuable metals for precise use.
Airflow systems eliminate fine dust before processing continues. Airflow systems eliminate fine dust before processing continues.
Drying prepares materials for stable handling in later stages. Controlled heat ensures optimal material condition. Now refined, materials are ready for core industrial processing. Extreme heat begins transforming raw material into usable metal. At high temperatures, solid ore becomes liquid metal. Carefully directed flow ensures safe and efficient handling. Casting shapes the metal into solid, workable forms.
Rapid cooling stabilizes the structure of the metal. Precision cutting prepares materials for shaping.
Rolling refines thickness for structural applications. Processed metal now advances toward precise component formation. Powerful presses shape raw metal into precise automotive components. Automation ensures consistent handling at every step. Refinement begins as excess material is removed.
Human precision complements automated accuracy. Welding fuses individual parts into a unified structure. Layer by layer, the vehicle's structure takes form. Sealing protects and strengthens every connection. The completed frame advances into high-tech assembly operations. Advanced systems now refine both protection and appearance. Each surface receives a uniform protective base layer. Controlled heat bonds coatings at the molecular level. Precision painting defines both quality and identity. A protective finish seals durability and visual perfection. Synchronized logistics deliver parts exactly when needed. Major assemblies come together in a perfectly timed union. Core mechanical systems are installed with exact precision. Every connection is calibrated to exact specifications. Electrical systems bring intelligence to the machine. Interior components are installed for both function and comfort. Ergonomic design meets structural precision. Sealing elements ensure durability and protection. Mobility is completed with precise wheel integration. The vehicle now stands complete, ready for final validation. Every vehicle undergoes a careful visual inspection. Advanced diagnostics verify electronic systems and performance. Simulated driving tests ensure mechanical reliability. Critical safety systems are tested under precise conditions. Sealing performance is verified against real-world conditions.
Every feature is tested for proper operation.
Only approved vehicles move forward to distribution. From testing, vehicles proceed to final delivery stages. Final preparation ensures each vehicle leaves in perfect condition. Protective layers guard the vehicle during transit. Every vehicle undergoes a careful visual inspection.
Vehicles are staged in organized storage before dispatch.
Secure transport ensures safe delivery to destinations worldwide.
Logistics networks carry vehicles across global markets.
And this is how modern factories produce cars from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.